I'm Kaati with the Reggae Festival Guide. I'm a media company that's in California.
Well, I am so elated and honored to meet you.
Thank you.
I am Amaziyah, the great as you saw. Poet,
I'm not.
artist, short filmmaker.
Yes, darling.
And it's a good thing that we connect, because we should be having some more connection as it relates to entertainment.
Absolutely, and I didn't expect to see poetry tonight or any spoken word, anything, and I was just knocked out by your performance. And I kept on thinking it was over, and I was like standing up and screaming and clapping, and then you kept on going on and on.
Yes.
It was very powerful.
Yes, so the thing is, over the years, poets have been, pushed on the back fence. Not many people highlighting and promoting and endorsing the poets. And I stand bolded tonight to let people know that the poets are here.
The art form, yes.
Because we are the ones, promoting and endorsing the positive vibration. IRAWMA 41st for us tonight. Richard Innocent, Rasta Koroa, Marcia Jackson, who won the award,
Right.
Kenton the poet, and I myself, Amaziyah the great. We stand boldly and proudly as Jamaicans in the international space, endorsing and promoting our roots, our culture, our arts, our creativity. You get me? So it's really amazing that someone who I didn't know can come up to me and reach out to me. You are not the first, and I'm really happy that it connects. So for me, all of we win. You get me? Winning for me personally is winning the attention of the audience, and that's what we came about and nailed. It's a good feeling because the response is the majority of the people who love our work.
Beautiful art form. I was super impressed. Very empowering.
So before I go, I'm gonna do one called The Fight. Remind me of the name again?
My name?
Yeah. You want to record it on your
Yes,
device?
yes. Is that
Please
you?
record this one on our device also. You can come in because you are honorary awardee. Yes.
Do you want to be
So,
Wait.
no, I want both of you all. You can let someone record you. But I want you in it.
I'll do it. Here, I can do both.
So the fight. No, I want your attention. So I'll stay right here. And you go right here.
I got it. Just go.
Okay, the fight. In this mind of mine, I took time to find more time to define. As my thoughts incline and climb on I refuse to let even drain energy from I. Monsters are creeping, thinking I'm sleeping. I'm fully awake before the heads bleeding. Fighting while smiling, even while I'm weak. The journey continues, even while I'm bleeding. You'll never make it. You're speaking, they're fiction, singing and misleading. Persuasion invasions, beasts and zombies trying to control me but can't understand me, be silent. Fight without violence. Spoken words subdue you like a hostage tyrant. I am your children's children, history assignment. Writing myself in the future with provoking highlights to capture your eyesight. I need you to understand me, it's pointless you try and ban me. I'm fueling the world with words like bright lights. I write what I like, whether or not you like it's my choice. Greater than the thought, so it's precise. The fight continues, and there are many others just like.
Oh my God!
Thank you very much.
Oh my gosh! And then you think that poetry are lyrics to songs.
Precisely.
Sometimes people just focus on the music, not so much as the craft like this. This is fascinating.
Precisely. I really appreciate your time.
That's me.
Thank
Your
you very
phone's
much.
on, your phone's on low. I don't know if it.
Yeah, my phone's a mess. People have been complaining about it all night, and I had a grease all, hand lotion all in the